Hello, this video is on how to make a copy of an existing course, also known as the clone feature in our curriculum management system. There are various reasons as to why a faculty member may need to create a copy of a course. Before a faculty member uses this feature in the curriculum management system, be sure to consult the curriculum office to make sure this is the appropriate approach for the changes you're trying to make. In many cases, the curriculum office will guide you to make a copy of an existing course. The Chancellor's Office considers some revisions to course modifications to be substantial. This means that in the eyes of the Chancellor's Office, they would consider this a new course, giving the course a new control number that is tied to student records. There are also substantial changes at Chafee that impact student records as well. If there is a major impact to student records or reporting, we will ask that a faculty member create a copy of their course so that we can have separate records and separate numbers assigned to these courses to ensure a seamless transition for students. These criteria are listed on our curriculum office website that you could take a look at yourself, but you are always free to call the curriculum office so that we can guide you step by step through this process. Please note there may be a new interface or edits and revisions to content or fields on some pages in which a new video may not be created. A new video will be made if any edits or revisions substantially change the functionality of each page. To make a copy of a course, click Login, enter your Chafee email and the password you have for the system, click Sign In. You are now on the global dashboard. Go ahead and click Curriculum, select Course, ensure My Proposals is turned off, go to Status, select Active, and I also recommend that you go to Subject and find your subject. And then if you have the course number, go ahead and type that into the system as well. Find the course you are wanting to make a copy of. In this case, we'll use Business 61 as an example. Click Clone. The proposal type is Make a Copy, and as I mentioned earlier in the video, permission will be required first. Click on Create. The Make a Copy interface is very similar to a course modification interface. You'll see that all the elements of the existing course transfer over because it made a copy of the original course. And for the Make a Copy, you'll want to change whatever elements are required to make this a new course. For example, you will have to change the course number. Perhaps you're wanting to change the course acronym, and that would also be considered a substantial change. So whatever changes were required for you to use the Make a Copy feature, this is where you'll go ahead and apply those changes. Once you've made the appropriate changes, we always recommend that you go through each tab to ensure the information is still relevant and current. And when you're completed, you can go ahead and hit the Launch button for a review. And that is how you use the Make a Copy and cloning feature in our curriculum management system.